Hello, my name is Jeniffer Mulinde Schmid, and I was born in Mombasa, grew up in Switzerland, and I live in Berlin. Here I run 2 restaurants and I'm an actress. I think I have a lot of energy and I can give this energy to other people. That's my superpower. Like, I'm from Switzerland and Switzerland is really clean and people really they are sustainable a bit with things, and I would like to have this here too. That I can always count on him or her when I'm in good times and in bad times. For me, friends are really, really, really important because I think life without friends and love doesn't make sense. And I'm really happy that I also grew up in a very big family. We always were a lot of people. It's so nice to have friends around. Also today I have 2 friends staying over. It makes my life worthful. I think it depends on yourself. I grew up in Switzerland and I was the only black girl, and I'm really lucky that I grew up with a very nice mom, because also when I went to the mountains in a supermarket, people were watching me and saying look, there is these black people, and I was always asking my mom, "Mommy, why are these people looking at me?" And my mom always told me, they're looking at you because you're so special and because you're so beautiful. Oh, this is also a friend, maybe. And I think sometimes you just have to you have to be positive to other people. You have to be open, and I think then to find a friend, it's more easy. I never had problems to find people. Yes, I think so. I have very many friends who are men, but I also had affairs who where we decided not to be together, but we just had this connection, this friendship connection, and we both thought, oh, how could we kiss each other? And yeah, and we are now friends. It's about 30 minutes from here, and he's called Florian Finnis. And Florian Finnis, he was one of the first employees I ever had. He's a musician, very, very talented musician, and very cool guy. A bit crazy, we will see, but very, very cool. And he wouldn't be my friend when he would be normal. The reason why we're friends, I think, is I can really count on him and he can count on me. And when you work with somebody, you get to know this person really very good. You can see, okay, how will he react in that situation? And for me, the most important thing is that the heart is on the right spot. And his heart is on the right spot. He's very, very charming. Thank you that you're still in my life, and thank you that you're still here, and I think we will know each other forever. I will send you to Philip, and he's very young. He's only 24 years old, and he's a student, and he's based in Hamburg, and he will welcome you in his house. I would describe Philip as the most loving person I ever met. You meet him and your heart goes like this. He's a traveler and really open for a lot of other cultures. As I said, a very open person, and what I like about him is that he treats everybody the same. If you're rich or poor or I think he's inside very calm, and I think he found himself. He's very young man, but he's really like open to everything, and that's what I really like about him. I'm also a very open person, and I host a lot of people, and he stayed a lot of times here at our house at the sofa, and then at the birthday from Henrik, he was staying here, and his other friends are staying in the other room. And I was just very thankful when he started to cleaning up the dishes and, you know, doing that stuff. I thought, wow, that's just very cool, and I really like that, and I really appreciate that. And I think he did that also from friendship, out of a friendship. Stay as you are and spread love like you do. Then everything will be fine.